Are you looking for a way to automatically sync new and updated subscribers or contacts from Mailchimp to HubSpot? With zzBots, you can now install this from our plugin store. This plugin contains two bots. These bots will monitor for new or updated subscribers in Mailchimp and then automatically sync them over as new or updated contacts in HubSpot. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the Install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Mailchimp account. After your account is connected, select the audience that you want to sync from. Next, set up the connection with your HubSpot account. After your accounts are connected, click Next and Install Now. After clicking Done, you will be redirected to the bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings, although further customization is optional. You can test this sync by creating new subscribers and updating pre-existing subscribers in Mailchimp. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps for each bot, you will see the bot history. The bot power used each time that your bot is triggered will be shown here. Bot power will not be used when your bot is checking for new data. Bot power will only be used when your bot successfully syncs new or updated subscribers from Mailchimp to HubSpot. As you can see here, the new and updated subscribers from Mailchimp successfully synced over to HubSpot as new and updated contacts. If you're looking for more ways to integrate your different apps together or automate your business, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com and we'll be happy to help you.